Do you know that there are simple food combinations that can help rebuild your muscles faster, especially after 60? And no, I'm not talking about expensive supplements or complicated diets. I mean everyday foods that, when paired the right way, can actually reverse muscle loss and give you back strength, energy, and confidence in your body. Now let me ask you something. Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker when you climb the stairs? Or maybe you've tried lifting something light, and suddenly it feels heavier than it used to? If that sounds familiar, I want you to tell me in the comments. What part of your body do you wish felt stronger right now? Is it your legs, your arms, or maybe your back? I'd love to know, and your answer might even help others who are watching this video. Here's the truth. After 60, your body naturally starts to lose muscle in a process called sarcopenia. Studies show seniors can lose up to 3 to 8% of muscle mass every decade if they don't give their bodies the right fuel. But here's the exciting part. Muscle loss isn't permanent. You can rebuild it. You can feel strong again. And the secret isn't just in protein. It's in combining foods that work together to unlock your body's natural ability to repair and grow muscle. That's why in today's video, I'll share 5 powerful food combinations that rebuild muscle fast in seniors. These are meals you can enjoy right at home. No powders, no gimmicks, just real food that your body loves. Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. Combination 1. Eggs plus spinach. You've probably heard that eggs are a powerhouse of protein. But here's the catch. When you pair eggs with leafy greens like spinach, something magical happens. Eggs give you all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your muscles need to repair after even the simplest activities. Spinach, on the other hand, is loaded with nitrates and magnesium, which improve blood flow and muscle contraction. One fascinating study from the University of Illinois found that seniors who combined protein with leafy greens had better muscle function and strength gains than those who ate protein alone. Imagine making a simple breakfast of scrambled eggs with spinach cooked in olive oil. Not only are you fueling your muscles with protein, but you're also helping them use that protein more effectively. This isn't just about staying strong. It's about protecting your independence. A plate of eggs and spinach can literally be the difference between getting up from a chair with ease or struggling to stand. Combination 2. Salmon plus sweet potatoes. If you want to fight muscle loss and inflammation at the same time, this combination is unbeatable. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are proven to reduce muscle breakdown and improve recovery. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates and potassium, giving your muscles the fuel and hydration they need to function. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who increased their intake of omega-3s gained more muscle strength and size compared to those who didn't. When you combine salmon with sweet potatoes, you're giving your body both the tools and the energy it needs to rebuild. Think of it like this. Protein is the bricks, omega-3s are the glue, and carbs from sweet potatoes are the workers providing energy to get the job done. So the next time you're planning dinner, try baked salmon with a side of roasted sweet potatoes. It's delicious, filling, and one of the most effective meals for seniors to keep muscles young and strong. Combination 3. Greek yogurt plus berries plus nuts. Now here's a snack that works wonders, especially if you want something quick and refreshing. Greek yogurt provides double the protein of regular yogurt along with calcium for strong bones. Berries are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and help muscles recover faster. Nuts like almonds or walnuts add healthy fats and magnesium, which help regulate muscle function. A 2019 study from Tufts University found that seniors who ate yogurt, and nuts regularly had better grip strength and mobility than those who didn't. And when you add berries, you're reducing the oxidative stress that causes your muscles to tire and weaken. This combination is like a muscle insurance policy. It's simple, it's tasty, and it helps ensure that every bite you take counts toward rebuilding your strength. Combination 4. Chicken, quinoa, and vegetables. When most people think of building muscle, they think of chicken breast, and for good reason. But pairing it with quinoa and vegetables takes it to the next level. Chicken gives you lean, complete protein. Quinoa is unique because it's a plant-based grain that's also a complete protein, something rare in the plant world. Vegetables like broccoli or bell peppers add vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen production and muscle tissue repair. A study published in Nutrients Journal highlighted that seniors who combined animal protein with plant-based protein had better long-term muscle retention than those who relied on animal protein alone. So instead of just eating chicken and rice, switch to chicken, quinoa, and colorful vegetables. It's not just a meal, it's a full recovery system for your muscles. Combination 5. Beans, brown rice, and avocado. This last one might surprise you, but it's a favorite among nutritionists. Beans provide plenty of protein and fiber, but they're missing one key amino acid. Brown rice fills in that missing piece, making the combination a complete protein that your muscles can actually use. Adding avocado gives you healthy fats, potassium, and antioxidants that speed up recovery and protect against cramps. In fact, the World Health Organization lists beans and rice as one of the most important food combinations for muscle and health worldwide, because together, they provide everything your muscles need. This is a budget-friendly, senior-friendly powerhouse meal. Add avocado slices on top, and you've got strength, energy, and protection for your muscles, all in one bowl. But why are these combinations work better than single foods? Here's the secret most people don't know. Eating just one type of food, even if it's high in protein, doesn't guarantee your muscles will use it efficiently. Your body needs protein, amino acids to repair tissue, healthy fats to reduce inflammation, carbohydrates to fuel recovery, vitamins and minerals to activate muscle processes. When you pair the right foods, you're creating synergy, meaning the benefits multiply. That's why combinations like eggs and spinach or salmon and sweet potatoes work so much better than protein alone. Here are practical tips for seniors. 1. Spread protein across your day. Don't just eat one protein-heavy meal. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. 2. Hydrate properly. Muscles are 70% water. Dehydration makes them weak and prone to cramps. 3. Move after meals. A short walk after eating helps your body use nutrients more effectively for muscle repair. 4. Balance animal and plant protein. Combining both gives you the full spectrum of amino acids and nutrients. 5. Don't fear healthy fats. Omega-3s and avocado fats actually help muscle growth and recovery. So, my friends, muscle loss after 60 doesn't have to be your story. With the right food combinations, you can wake up stronger, move with more freedom, and enjoy life without the constant fear of weakness or falls. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild. Your muscles are waiting for the right fuel. Start adding these combinations to your meals this week, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your strength and energy begin to return. Now it's your turn. Do you eat these foods combinations regularly? What's your experience? Let us know in the comment below. It might help someone else start their journey to better health. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health. And if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life. Naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.